Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about something very important in English. We are going to learn about nouns. A noun is simply a name. Yes, a noun is the name of a person, the name of a place, the name of an animal, or the name of a thing. Whenever you hear or see the name of something, you are looking at a noun. Let us begin with people. Every person has a name. For example, names like Mary, John, David, and Esther are all nouns. Even words like teacher, doctor, nurse, farmer, mother, or friend are nouns because they're names we use to call people. Whenever we talk about people using their names, we are using nouns. Now let us look at places. Places also have names. The word school is the name of a place. The word market is the name of a place. The word church, mosque, hospital, city, or village are also nouns because they are names of places. Even names of countries like Nigeria, Ghana, America, and Canada are nouns. Names of towns and states like Lagos, Abuja, or Accra are also nouns. So whenever we talk about a place and we call its name, we are using a noun. Next are animals. Animals also have names. Words like dog, cat, lion, goat, cow, or fish are all nouns. They are names of animals. If you have a pet and you give it a special name, that name is also a noun. For example, if you call your dog Bingo or your cat Kitty, those names are nouns too. So the names of animals in general and the special names we give them are all nouns. Finally, we have things. Things are objects that we can see, touch, or use. Words like chair, table, book, pen, ball, phone, and bag are all nouns. They are names of things we use every day. Even things in nature, like the sun, the moon, stars, rivers, and mountains, are nouns because they are names of things in the world around us. Nouns are very important because without them, we cannot talk about the world around us. Imagine trying to speak without names. If you wanted to talk about your teacher but could not use the word teacher, it would be very hard. If you wanted to talk about your school but could not use the word school, you would not be able to explain yourself. What's in the words there? That is why nouns are important. They help us give names to everything in the world. Let us think about a short story. In the morning, Mary wakes up in her house. She takes her bag and goes to school. At school, she meets her teacher. The teacher gives her a book and a pen. After school, Mary goes to the market with her mother. They buy fish, meat, and vegetables. Do you see what is happening here? Almost every word that names something in this story is a noun. Mary is a noun. House is a noun. Bag is a noun. School is a noun. Teacher is a noun. Book and pen are nouns. Market is a noun. Mother is a noun. Fish, meat, and vegetables are also nouns. This shows us that nouns are everywhere. Nouns can also be divided into two groups, common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is a general name for people, places, animals, or things. Words like girl, boy, city, dog, table, or teacher are common nouns because they are general names. A proper noun is a special name. Words like Mary, John, Lagos, Abuja, Nigeria, or Africa are proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter because they are special names. So let us remember. Nouns are names. They can be names of people, names of places, names of animals, or names of things. Nouns can be common, which means general names, or proper, which means special names. Children, now you know what a noun is. Anytime you see a name, remember that it is a noun. A noun is one of the most important parts of speech in English. Without nouns, we would not be able to talk about people, places, animals, or things. So always remember, a noun is a name.